The Polar Pack by Madeline Rogers. The polar regions, north and south, are bleak without a doubt. But look again, you're sure to see some animals about. Penguins do not fly but swim. Their wings go flip and flop. They lay an egg upon the ice and they sit on top. The walrus has a lot of fat for warmth against the snow. His massive tusk can break the ice in case he's stuck below. You might just spot a polar bear not far from the North Pole. She has her babies underground in a comfy little hole. Reindeer are good at smelling food deep beneath the ice. They dig with their enormous hooves till they taste something nice. Snowy owls are born quite dark, becoming white as they get older. They make their feathered nest atop a sturdy rock of boulder. These polar pods are freezing cold. For now, at least that's true. Our frosty friends just love it here. They are wondering, would you? Snowy owls hunt during the day and the night. Polar bear fur is see-through, but the reflection of the snow makes it look white. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers. Walruses use their sensitive whiskers to search for shellfish on the ocean floor. Emperor penguins can hold their breath underwater for up to 20 minutes. Wow! Melting sea ice threatens the homes of these creatures who have evolved especially to survive in such a cold place. Now it is the time to work together to try to protect the environment to ensure that these species can thrive. The end.